simplify the expression square root of 15 multiplied by 4 square root of 13. So first thing I notice is the radicals. So I know I'm going to be simplifying radical expressions. And the second thing I notice is the multiplication symbol. So in order to simplify these radical expressions, I'm going to be multiplying these expressions together. So when multiplying radical expressions, the first thing that you do is actually multiply. And what exactly do you multiply? So you multiply your coefficients together, so your numbers in front of the radical. So we have a 4, and then over here we don't have anything. So if you want, you can write that invisible 1, or you can just leave the 4 by itself. And then you'll multiply the radicands together, so the numbers under the radical symbol, or inside. So what would that look like? So multiplying that, you would have a 4 on the outside, and then under the radical, you would have 15 times 3. So then actually multiplying those together, you would have 4 square root 15 times 3 gives us 45. So now that we're done multiplying, you may notice that this answer option is answer option C. But we need to hold up just a second because the question asked us to simplify the expression. So anytime that you perform operations with radicals, you must perform that operation but make sure it's in its simplest form. So we can actually do some simplifying here to the square root of 45. We can break this down. So we are going to do that. So second step of multiplying is to simplify. So simplifying 4 square root 45, we will break down the 45 into factors, 2 factors, 9 and 5. 5 is prime, so I can lock that one in, but 9 is not. So I'm going to keep breaking down 9 into 3 and 3. And those are prime, so I can now lock those in. So now I'm going to rewrite everything, bring you back in the coefficient 4. So I'm going to rewrite 4 square root of 45 as 4 square root, and instead of 45, I'm going to put the prime factors of 45. So 3 times 3 times 5. And now we need to clean up these prime factors under the radical. So we can do that by identifying our identical pairs. So sets of 2 that are identical, which are these sets of 3. The pair of 3's get together to make 1, then you kick it outside the radical. So now on the outside you will have 4 times 3, and then left on the inside you have 5. So fully simplifying this, so multiplying the 4 times the 3, that would give you a 12, and then square root 5, which was answer choice B.